Don't miss out. In today's video, discover the top 6 products and crucial buying tips. We've meticulously ranked them by performance, price, durability, and more. Check the description for further insights and the best deals. Skeet Skull XLR. The Skeet Skull is a high-performance phono preamp designed for vinyl enthusiasts seeking exceptional audio quality and versatility. This preamp features both XLR balanced and RCA single-ended outputs, providing flexibility to integrate seamlessly with various audio systems. The balanced XLR outputs reduce noise and signal degradation, delivering a pristine and detailed sound, while the single-ended RCA outputs offer compatibility with a wide range of amplifiers and receivers. Pile PP777. Easily connect any turntable to modern sound equipment without needing a specialized phono input. This versatile mini preamp is designed to work with speakers, computers, laptops, and more, and it is recommended to position the preamp close to the source to minimize unwanted noise and interference. Designed to convert phono signals to line-level signals, this turntable preamp features state-of-the-art circuitry that accommodates magnetic pickups with an input sensitivity of 3 mV at 50K ohms. Whether you are a vinyl enthusiast or a casual listener, this preamp seamlessly integrates your turntable with modern audio systems, preserving your record's rich, warm sound. Phono Audio Box X2. The Phono Audio Box X2 leans on vintage's into low-noise integrated circuitry and top-shelf component. The X2 is designed to remove as much low-frequency noises as possible during LP playbacks, so you will always have crystal-clear sounds. You will be able to choose from 39, 42, and 45 decibel gain setting, so you will never have to worry about having enough powers to match your cartridges, but in case you have one that needs a little boost. Conveniently, the X2's vacuum tube can be swapped for other tube models. An excellent feature for hi-fi fans. This means you will be able to experiment with different make and model to get the sounds you like for your amplifier and speakers. One of the standout features of the Waxwing is its optical output, allowing you to connect directly to modern digital audio systems and soundbars, bridging the gaps between analog and digital audio worlds. This preamp also offers full app control, providing a seamless user experience. You can easily adjust settings, switches between different equalization curves, and fine-tune the sound to your preference, all from your smartphone or tablet. With its sleek design and robust build quality, the Waxwing Phono DSP preamp not only enhances your audio setups, but also adds a touch of elegance. Ideal for both audiophiles and casual listeners, it delivers exceptional performances and versatility, making it a must-have for any serious vinyl collection. Skeet Mani 2. And if you're unfamiliar with their line of products, all made in the US, just check their current catalog. The Mani 2 is their take on a specialized phono preamp, and it is equally at home with classic moving coils or with high output magnets as far as cartridge signals go. We adore the simple design with its clean lines. It's minimalist, but unlike the far more expensive Project PhonoBox S2 Ultra, it looks good. The input impedance that Mani 2 can take is automatically adjusted from 47 ohm, typical for MC carts, to 47 ohms, carts, and the Mani 2 also allows 4 user-definable input gain settings for boosting those ultra-low moving coil signals. Just like many phono stages, Kinter PR400 Ultra. Designed to enhance the sound of your turntable, this mini electronic audio stereo phonograph preamplifier ensures that every detail of your vinyl records is faithfully reproduced. The PR400 features gold-plated RCA inputs and outputs, ensuring superior connectivity and minimal signal loss. This preamp is powered by a 12-volt DC adapter included in the package, making it easy to set up and use right out of the box. Its ultra-compact designs allows it to fit seamlessly into any audio setup, whether at home or in a professional environment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.